Welcome everybody. It's the 9th year for the St. Jude Dream Home, and I know I say this every year that this house is my favorite and this house is my favorite. This one really is my favorite. Come on in, I'm gonna give you a tour. Wow, Jeff Crawford, I think he nailed the rustic modern theme. COVID elbow bump. This looks so good.
I stress we did it again.
Yeah.
Rose Chandler, our designer, you're gonna hear from her in a little bit. She's gonna really take you through all the details of the home. But our rustic modern was supposed to capture distressed woods, metals, and then the clean lines that you'll see throughout the home as well. We had trades, vendors, and suppliers who we're very thankful for. We could not do it without them.
Rose, I hear you're the mastermind behind this design.
This was a fantastic experience, a labor of love indeed, as Jeff mentioned. It's not easy to build a home in a pandemic, but we had the support of all of our trade partners, and look what we pulled off. When you start to look around, you see things like the beams, the light fixtures, the wine cellar, even our railings. It's just an incredible piece of art that we've created for whoever wins this home and for the kids at St. Jude.
Well, we've all been waiting for the doggy spa, right? So can you show us now?
Let's go see.
It's done. This is so cute, Rose.
This is cute, cool, and functional. This doggy spa is right off of the garage for families to utilize. There's a washer and dryer, there's cubbies, but we have so much in this house and something even more special to show you guys, and that's Samantha's room.
And Samantha is one of the former St. Jude survivors that we've had on our show many times, and you and her parents helped design a room upstairs.
We did, it's very special.
All right, I'm gonna go Zoom call with Samantha so she can see it. Come on. Okay, so I'm standing in the Samantha Marie Dream Home, and we have a surprise for you, and it is a bedroom dedicated to you.
Your family and friends provided us with all of these fantastic mementos, tons of beautiful pictures. I'll hand you back over to Christy.
Samantha, we hope you get to come see it. Congratulations on graduating college. That's a huge accomplishment. You're right, Jeff. Rose is the best, and she knows what details to put in what room.
Yeah, she's great. She's good at what she does.
Yes.
Even the outside is fully landscaped. You've got a sodded front yard with nice shrub packages and trees. Then you have the rear covered patio. And really at Cleveland Custom Homes, excellence is our measure.
One lucky winner, right? I think Jeff and I have 2 words for you. Good luck.